Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Elementor full width not working. If you've been struggling with getting your Elementor sections to stretch across the entire screen, this quick fix will solve that issue and give you the layout you're looking for. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and click on All Pages. Here you'll see a list of all your pages. Look for the specific page you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor where you can make all the necessary adjustments to your layout. Now, once the editor loads, look at the upper left corner of the page and click the gear icon. This will open a menu with several options. From there, select Site Settings, which will take you to the global settings for your site. Within Site Settings, click on Layout. This is where you'll control how your pages are displayed by default. In the Layout section, look for an option labeled Default Page Layout. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Elementor Full Width. This setting tells WordPress to remove any sidebars or theme containers that might be restricting your content from stretching edge to edge. Once you've selected it, click Save Changes to apply this setting. Give it a second to load and save properly, as this change affects the overall page structure. Now, even after changing the page layout, you might still need to adjust the individual sections or widgets to make sure they're truly full width. To do this, click on the section or widget that you want to stretch across the screen, then click the 6-dotted icon, which is the settings handle for that element. This will open the settings panel on the left side of the screen. Under the Layout tab, hover over the option labeled Content Width. You'll see a drop-down or toggle where you can select full width. This ensures that the specific section or widget expands to the full width of the browser window, giving you that seamless edge-to-edge design. Finally, to save all your changes, click Save Draft beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page. This will store your adjustments without publishing the page live if you're still working on it. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Elementor full width issue, and your page should now display exactly as you intended. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.